Tracer control is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of tracer materials to monitor and control the flow of fluids in a manufacturing process. Tracer materials are added to the fluid being monitored, and their movement is tracked using sensors and other monitoring equipment. This allows manufacturers to identify and address issues with fluid flow, such as leaks, blockages, or changes in pressure or temperature. Tracer control is particularly useful in industries that rely on precise fluid flow, such as chemical manufacturing, oil and gas production, and food and beverage processing. By monitoring and controlling fluid flow, manufacturers can improve product quality, reduce waste and downtime, and increase efficiency and profitability. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the design and production of custom industrial equipment, including fluid handling systems. As such, tracer control is a key service offered by Berkness Company, as it allows them to ensure the optimal performance of their fluid handling systems. By using tracer materials and monitoring equipment, Berkness Company can identify and address issues with fluid flow in their systems, ensuring that their clients receive high-quality, reliable equipment that meets their specific needs. If you are interested in learning more about tracer control and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, Berkness Company is a great resource. Their team of experienced engineers and technicians can provide expert guidance and support, helping you to optimize your fluid handling systems and improve your overall manufacturing performance. To learn more, visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website and reach out to their team today. FAQs. 1. What is tracer control in manufacturing? Tracer control is a method used in manufacturing to track the movement of materials or products through a production process. It involves the use of unique identifiers, such as barcodes or RFID tags, to monitor the location and status of items as they move through various stages of production. 2. How does tracer control improve manufacturing efficiency? Tracer control can help improve manufacturing efficiency by providing real-time visibility into the production process. This allows manufacturers to identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies and make adjustments to improve workflow and reduce waste. Tracer control can also help ensure that products are produced to the required quality standards and that any defects are quickly identified and addressed. 3. What are some common applications of tracer control in manufacturing? Tracer control is commonly used in a variety of manufacturing industries, including automotive, aerospace, and electronics. It can be used to track the movement of raw materials, work in progress, and finished products, as well as to monitor the performance of equipment and machinery. Tracer control can also be used to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, such as those related to product safety or environmental standards. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.